I'm Martin Nixon and I'm Managing Director of Nixon Design. Our first project for Falmouth, the 2011 Prospectus, which I'm pleased to say we won a Heist Award for, was very much about that cross-collaboration of creative ideas and activity. For the 2013 Prospectus, it was a challenge really to come up with something which was yet again going to push the boundaries. So we came up with the idea of using the satellite dishes at Goonhilly as a screen essentially to project some of the vibrancy and the excitement and the technological work that goes on at University College Falmouth. It was quite a tricky one in terms of practicality. Could we do it and would it read?
It's absolutely vital for a creative arts institution to be one step ahead. The documents that we produce, both online and in print, need to really reflect that. That's what we're trying to do in our marketing as well, and that's actually a really exciting thing to be involved in. We've got this wonderful setting on our doorstep. It's going to look, really amazing, and that's what we want to do, to have something that actually stops people in their tracks when they look at the front cover.
The Prospectus is a brilliant project. It's becoming more and more ambitious, and I just love doing these. It's technically demanding. With all location work, there's always going to be different demands. Because we're trying to match the sky with the projection, with the flashlight, there was a key moment where it all comes together, and that's a very small window. And then after that, it's just lots of variations, lots of bracketing, lots of choice to provide imagery for the design company, so they're free to mess about with it.
Our plan originally was to have multiple images, and we were thinking of almost filling the dish. And then when we actually saw the projection, it wasn't quite as large as we initially wanted, but we knew that if we duped them up, it would actually give a really nice effect, and it was our job to kind of comp together the images that worked well. Picking the best two images on one section of the dish, and then as the light then swapped over, to comp on the other two. So it's kind of a process of selection, and then the heavy work started in terms of the merging together of about 4 images in total.
The final result's always interesting because the 2011 Prospectus, it took me 6 months really to look at it objectively, because you get so close to these things. It was actually very challenging and at times probably slightly foolhardy, and we did actually manage to pull it off, and I'm delighted. But ask me in 6 months and I'll give you a real answer.